Are you a homeowner that's interested in selling your property that maybe needs a little bit of work? If you are, you're going to want to watch this video. So before we continue with this video, I want to tell you about Minor Corzo with TLC Painting. He's our preferred contractor. He's the guy who's going to fix up your home before you sell it so you can make the most amount of money on the property. I want you to call him right now. His number is on the screen, and ask for a pre-listing renovation estimate on your home. Now on to the video. Hi, my name is John DeHart. I'm with the Homes from DeHart Real Estate team powered by Keller Williams. And we have what they call Fix Up and List program, where this is really designed if you're trying to maximize the sale price of your property. And in this case, let's just assume that some properties might need some sprucing up. So new kitchens, new bathrooms, paint on the wall, light fixtures, landscaping, power washing in the exterior, maybe some new floors. Well, we have contractors on demand who are willing to give you free estimates on your property, and we'll tell you exactly what needs to be done. We'll give you a whole scope of work that really is going to be catered towards maximizing the sale price of your property, and then you get to decide if you'd like to move forward with it. Another perk of our Fix Up and List program is that you actually don't have to pay our contractors in full until settlement. So we can do all this work for you, manage the project for you, and make sure that you don't have to pay until the property actually closes. So if this is something that you're interested in finding out more about, please give me a call at 703-286-9771. I'll be happy to explain all the benefits of the Fix Up and List program we offer, and looking forward to hearing from you.